Alright guys, and welcome to the video. In this video I want to show you the application of Lambda Functions, what you can do. I developed so what it does basically, whenever the server is stopped, I have this server, right, which is running on the cloud, which is an Ubuntu machine. So whenever it stops, it will send me an SMS alert saying that your server has stopped. Now let us look at that in action. So I have my phone right here and I do not have currently any SMS. So by the way, I'm just going to show you right here, right? So if I stop this instance right here, should receive an SMS. So I'm gonna stop it. So let's see. Oops, let me, yep. So now here you can see, oops. So I haven't received any SMS so far. I'm waiting right now for the SMS or for the alert. I'm just trying to run. So here you can see send from Twilio, trial account EC2 instance has stopped working. Alright guys, welcome to the video. In this video, I would be teaching you about sending an SMS whenever your EC2 instance is stopped. I showed you a very nice demo in the last video or a tutorial. Whenever your EC2 instance is stopped, you should get an SMS, which is very useful. So you can take necessary steps to turn it on again. So let me just show you the video. If you have not watched that video, oops, there is an internet issue, I suppose. The server is down, I suppose, a little bit. Yeah, it's fine. My internet is slow. This web page is reloaded because of problem occurred. Yeah, that's fine, I know. So let me just walk you through that video. I have like a lot of videos on AWS, so make sure to watch that out. So this is the video right here. We are making this now actually. So let's get started, guys. So first of all, you want to go to Twilio. We're gonna get a phone number and make sure to copy your account SSID and auth token. The phone number can be found right here. I don't want to disclose my credentials, so I'm not gonna show you that. I also do have a lot of videos on making Twilios, how can you get SMS and stuff. So watch that video first and then you can come to this. So once you're done with that, what we need to do is we need to make our custom Lambda function. So here you can see this is my Lambda function. I am gonna name this file as alert.py. So let's just say this is very important, the name of the file. Just make sure you know what you're naming the file. All right, that's good, beautiful. So our function is ready. Our Lambda function is ready. So remember, our Lambda function is taking the event name and the context, which is initially set to none. So whenever this function is called, it will send an SMS to the mentioned contact number, which you can just insert it right here. So once done with that, so let's move to the next steps. That is, guys, the next step is we need to create our own packages, because on AWS we cannot import this package. So let's create a custom package. So to do that, I'm gonna do is, guys, what I'm gonna do, create a new folder, name this as test. Why? So I'm gonna name this as test, and make sure to paste your alert.py file here. I already have done that, so let me see. Alert.py, gonna copy, paste it. So once done with that, congratulations, good, your Lambda function is ready. Now we need to install the dependencies. Oops. Take your terminal where your folders are, right? So that's your terminal. Wanna go to the directory first of all, the test directory, remember. So done with that, and then the next step would be basically you want to create the pip installation. So make sure ls. So we are not in that folder, that means. So let's do cd. Where is that folder? Oh, it's an AWS folder. I need to go in the test folder. All right, I think I'm in the folder. Clear the screen. Clear ls. So wow, that's weird. So let's manually go inside that folder. What's happening? Let's do cd, then let's do cd. So let's see what are the files. So here you can see I am inside that folder. Now I need to install the package known as Twilio inside that folder. So a lot of people are complicating stuff in the internet. I don't know why they are doing it. So just make it simple. So the way to do that is pip3 install. So what this will do is basically install Twilio on that target directory. So hit enter, and after a while see the magic what happens. Where is that folder test? So yep, this is what we have. let it install, do not interrupt. So once done with that, open that folder. Here you can see alert.py, and we have all the dependencies. What you want to do is basically we want to copy all of that and compress it. So we want to create a zip file. So I'm going to do that quickly on my Mac OS using this. So here you can see it's being compressed right now. So that's what we want to upload on the cloud server, on the AWS. So want to go to AWS. All right, want to go to so since we are making a Lambda function, want to go to the Lambda function. After going to the Lambda function, we would like to create a new Lambda function. So create a new Lambda function. What I would like to say, the name of the Lambda function is my test, whatever you want to name. The use Python 3.6 because we are coding in Python, right? So want to create the Lambda functions. Once you're comfortable with doing both of these stuff, that is creating the Lambda function, and so now we need to upload that our custom Lambda function that we just created now. So want to walk you through that. So here you can see this is my Lambda function which is loading. Now what you have to do is basically upload zip, select that zip file. The name of the zip file was archive. So go to the desktop, go to the folder known as test, and here you can see archive zip file. So upload that. I've already done that, so I'm not going to do it again. I'm going to walk you through the steps that I have done. So let me quickly move to my Lambda functions now. I've already created one Lambda function. I'm going to delete the test one. So let's delete that. So here you can see pylon request. So name the Lambda function. Now the important step comes here while configuration of that. So I want to show you one stuff. So the alert means the name of the file. Remember we gave the name of the file as alert.py. So that should be alert, and inside that the function name was send. So this is the function name send, right? This is very important. Make sure to do that. Once done with that, save and create a test function. So we will test it out. So whenever you say test function, where is my phone? So I should receive an SMS. Here you can see I have received an SMS shortly. Here you can see execution was successful, and I have received an SMS as well on my phone. Now we would like to now what we want to do is basically we want to link this to our EC2 instance. So it's pretty easy, not a big deal. We'll go to services, we go to CloudWatch. So here you can see the CloudWatch. So it's right now opening, loading up. So the CloudWatch is opening. Now we want to go to the rules section. Now go to the rules section. We want to create a rule. So on the create rule, we want to say the EC2 instance here. So search for so we want to search for the EC2 instance. Where is, oh, A, B, C, D, E for EC2. Event type is gonna be change notification. We want to do specific, and we'll say stopped specific. Yep, that's fine. So that's fine. We need to create an alert and make sure to select your Lambda function, save it, and congratulations guys, you have created your Lambda function. And once you close the server, let me now move to my EC2 instance. So once I close my EC2 instance, I should receive an SMS as showed in the video, right this. So I hope you have enjoyed this video and have learned something new. If so, do give a like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something new in this video. So here you can see is my EC2 instance. Currently it is stopped. So once I turn it on and turn it off again, I should receive an SMS. So thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed it. The code would be there in the description section below. And yep, as usual, if you have any questions, post them in the comment section. Would be happy to assist you. Thank you.